Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss English 3 Quarter 1 Week 7 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Predicting Outcomes. For our learning competency, comprehend stories. In number 7, predict possible ending. And for our objectives, the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to predict possible endings or outcomes of the story read and participate actively in class. Let's look at the picture below. Can you guess what will happen next? Very good. The boy saw that there are dark clouds, and so it might rain. Today, let's learn about predicting outcomes. What do we mean by predicting outcomes? It means trying to guess what will happen next. Say, for example, it's like saying, I think it's going to rain tomorrow because you saw dark clouds today. You're using what you know to make a smart guess about what's coming. Another example, if you drop a ball, you can predict it will bounce or roll away. Why? Because you've seen it happen before. So now, let's move on to the application. Let's read the directions. Let's read the story entitled, What is My Dad's Job? And while reading, we are going to predict what will happen next. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is my dad's job? Tim saw his dad leave every morning wearing a shiny badge and a navy blue uniform. One day, Tim found a toy walkie-talkie in his backpack and guessed what could be his dad's job. How about you? Can you guess what his dad's job is? Great. Let's continue our story. Tim guessed that his father might be a policeman. That afternoon, his dad came home early with a friendly police dog beside him. Tim shouted, I knew it! You help keep people safe. How about you? Did you guess it correctly? Great! This time, let's move on to the generalization. Let's answer these questions. What is predicting outcome? Very good. It means trying to guess what will happen next. Another question. How do we predict outcomes? Awesome. By using what you know to make a smart guess about what's coming. This time, let's proceed to the evaluation. Let's read the directions. Let's read the story entitled The Birthday Clues, then predict what might be the outcome of the story. Are you ready? Let's start. The Birthday Clues. Sophie found a shiny ribbon on the kitchen counter and a note that said, "Something fluffy is waiting." She peeked under the couch and saw paw prints leading to her bedroom. Her heart raced as she followed the trail and spotted a tiny basket with a blanket inside. Then she heard a low barking sound. Could it be a puppy, a kitten, or maybe a cuddly teddy bear? What do you think did she saw? Very good, it's a puppy. Now, let's find out why and how did we find out the answer. What are the clues for you to come up with your answer? Let's find out. Because of the words something fluffy, paw prints, tiny basket with a blanket, and low barking sound. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3, Quarter 1, Week 7 of the revised K-12 curriculum, and it's all about predicting outcomes.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.